Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite No Bake Oreo dessert. This No Bake Oreo dessert is heaven for all you Oreo lovers. I've been making this recipe for quite a while now and I don't know why it took me so long to make a video on it. It starts with a buttery Oreo crust filled with a whipped cream cheese filling and topped with chocolate pudding, and it's so delicious. So let's get started. To begin, I have a 15-ounce package of double stuffed Oreo cookies, and I'm going to place them in a resealable Ziploc bag. I have to apologize for the quality of this video. I didn't realize the camera focus was off, and it ended up being super blurry. But please bear with me, and I promise at the end you're going to get a super delicious dessert recipe. And now with my little helper, I'm going to go ahead and crush the cookies. He's always super excited to help me out with dessert recipes. The Oreos don't need to be finely crushed, so big chunks are totally fine. And if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe so that you can help support me to continue to share simple and delicious recipes with you guys. Now I'm going to place the Oreos into a medium-sized mixing bowl. And I'm going to remove a couple spoonfuls of the Oreo crumbs, and I'm going to reserve them for our topping later. Now I'm going to add half a cup, which is 1 stick of melted butter. And I'm going to mix until the cookie crumbs and the butter are well combined. Also, don't forget to watch until the end to see how much my little one enjoyed this dessert. Now I'm going to spread the mixture onto the bottom of a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Honestly, I thought about not publishing this video because of the camera malfunction, but it took me and my little helper time to make this video, and I really wanted to get it out before 4th of July weekend because it's just such a great dessert. So like I always say, progress, not perfection, right? While the Oreo crust is cooling in the fridge, I'm going to go ahead and make the chocolate pudding layer. Here I have 2 3.9-ounce packages of instant chocolate pudding mix, and I'm going to add them to the mixing bowl. And I'm going to pour in 3 1/4 cups of cold milk. You can either mix by hand or use an electric mixer to mix until it's well combined. Honestly, I'm surprised on how far I've come with these videos because I'm not a techie person, and when I first began, on a scale of 1 to 10 on technology, I was like a -8. But I am willing to learn, and through the headaches, it does get easier along the way. So if I can do it, you can definitely do it. So in another bowl, I have an 8-ounce bar of softened cream cheese. And I'm going to add 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. And I'm going to mix until it's well combined. As you can see, I have some powdered sugar kind of flying everywhere. But good thing I have my mini little vacuum cleaner, which is Bradley. And that phrase that I say, progress, not perfection, is actually from a book called Everything is Figureoutable by Marie Forleo. And if you haven't read it, I highly recommend it. Now in increments, I'm going to gently fold in an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip. And I'm gently folding it in because I want it to maintain its fluffy consistency. Honestly, I know my son is always willing to help me because he knows he always gets to lick the whisk or spoons. That's the best part, right? So the best way to assemble the layers is to add dollops of the whipped cream cheese mixture all over the surface of the Oreo crust. So that way you can easily spread it and every surface is covered. And you guys that know me know that I love my no-bake desserts because I can make them ahead of time, set them in the fridge, and I don't have to turn on my oven. And plus, they're always a crowd pleaser. I actually served this batch to company and they absolutely loved it. And now I'm going to do the exact same thing for the chocolate pudding. But out of all my no-bake dessert recipes, this Oreo one is my go-to and my absolute favorite. But they're all really good. And we're almost through. All I have to do now is top it with the reserved cookie crumbs and let it set in the fridge for a few hours before serving. And that's pretty much it. Super easy, right?
Can we taste it? Of course. Let's do it. Okay. Oh gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Look at this.
Cheers. It's time to cheers.
It's time to cheers. Here's your bite. Ah, wait for mommy and then we'll cheers, okay? Wait. Okay. All right. Here's mommy's bite. Cheers. Mmm. So good.
So good.
Thumbs up.
Oh. Yay.
Yay. So good.
So good.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Please check out all my other No Bake dessert recipes. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.